friends, in last two videos we have discussed about homojunction and heterojunction semiconductor laser. There we have seen their constructions, working, advantages, disadvantages, all those things, right? Today I'll just summarize those things and we'll look into the differences between homojunction and heterojunction semiconductor laser. To sum up the differences between homojunction and heterojunction semiconductor laser, I have made one table in which there are two columns. The first column is for homojunction semiconductor laser and the second one is for heterojunction semiconductor laser. So let us sum up the differences between these two. The first and foremost difference is that in case of homojunction semiconductor laser, we are having same semiconductor material on either side of the active region. But in case of heterojunction semiconductor laser, there are different semiconductor materials on either side of the active region. The active region is not well defined in case of homojunction semiconductor laser, but in case of heterojunction semiconductor laser, the active region is well defined. Now coming to the forward current required for the operation of the devices, the homojunction semiconductor laser operates at high forward current, whereas heterojunction semiconductor laser that operates at low forward current. Further, we have also seen that the homojunction semiconductor laser cannot operate continuously at room temperature. Because of this, we are getting pulsed outputs in case of homojunction semiconductor laser. But the heterojunction semiconductor laser, it can operate continuously at room temperature, giving a continuous output. The next one is the refractive index is almost constant throughout the device because all the regions, they are made up of same kind of semiconductor materials and hence the refractive index is almost constant. But in case of heterojunction semiconductor laser, the refractive indices are different in different regions because we are taking different semiconductor materials. In case of homojunction semiconductor laser, we have seen that the light diffuses from active region to the surrounding. But by using different materials, we have reduced the diffusion of light in case of heterojunction semiconductor laser. That means the light is more confined to the active region because the diffusion reduced. So it is more confined to the active region. This diffusion of light that leads to cavity loss. And here in case of homojunction semiconductor, the diffusion of light to the surrounding is more and hence the cavity loss is more. But in case of heterojunction semiconductor laser, the light is more confined, that means diffusion is less and hence the cavity loss is less in case of heterojunction semiconductor laser. As the loss is more, that means the efficiency is less in case of homojunction semiconductor laser. Just the opposite, here we have the cavity loss is less, which gives us more efficiency for a heterojunction semiconductor laser. These are the differences between homojunction and heterojunction semiconductor laser. You may be getting a question in your exam that write few differences like 3 or 4 or 2 differences between homojunction and heterojunction semiconductor laser. You can write few of these, whatever asked, like 3 or 4 whatever asked, you can take those differences from here and can write in your exam. Today we'll stop here. Next class we will look into the figures of merit of semiconductor laser. Thank you all. If you like the content of the video, please press the like button and share the link with your friends. And also do subscribe to my channel to get the notification whenever I am uploading a new video. Thank you all the best.